Hi everyone, it's Sarah with DriveStrike. Today I'm going to teach you how to install DriveStrike on your Windows computer. Now, you can obviously install on your own device from the install page here, but if you need to invite other devices to your account, let's say an employee or a family member, the easiest way to do that from your account is to email them through the install page. And what this is going to do is send them an email that looks like this. You can click here to install on any device that this email goes to. So if the user needs to install it on their Windows machine, for example, it'll take them to the appropriate install page, and it'll give you, as the account manager, access to DriveStrike features on their device. Just go ahead and follow the prompts. When it downloads, you'll see a window like this, and this is what's important. The person that you've invited needs to use the same email address that they received the invite in this box. That's what's going to register their device appropriately under your account. Now, under the users page, you'll have a list of everyone who's an account administrator. So these are people who can locate devices, lock them, wipe them, etc. And under the dashboard tab, you can see all the devices that have installed DriveStrike under this account.